Hello, it's Thursday, May the 5th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was mixed against the other major currencies after ADP non-farm employment came out less than expected at 179,000 versus 200,000 forecast. And the ISM non-manufacturing PMI dropped unexpectedly in April from 52.8 versus 57.9 forecast, causing investors to stick with the dollar as a refuge. Nasdaq and Dow weakened by 0.47% and 0.66% respectively. Crude decreased by 1.6% owing to better crude oil inventories data, closing at $109.40 a barrel. Gold weakened by 2%, closing at $1,510 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to decline from 429,000 to 400,000, and Fed Chairman Bernanke is due to speak. The euro reached its strongest level in 17 months versus the dollar on speculation the European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet will signal further interest rate boosts after a policy meeting today. The euro-dollar was struggling at 149 during the past week. As long as the rate remains below that, the pair will probably decline to 148. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 147.75 and a high of 149.40. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain unchanged at 1.25. The pound fell to its lowest level in more than a year versus the euro and fluctuated versus the dollar after worsening economic data spurred speculation that the Bank of England will keep rates at a record low to revive growth. Next support on the daily chart is at 164.30. If the pair breaks below this level, the pound will continue with its bearish trend. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 164.52 and a high of 165.74. Today, interest rate decision is expected unchanged at 0.50%. The yen strengthened against most major currencies as stocks and commodities markets dropped for a second day, damping appetite for higher yielding assets. The dollar-yen's momentum is still very bearish. As long as the pair is trading below 81.40, the yen is the more attractive. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.43 and a high of 81.19. No economic data is expected today due to a bank holiday in Japan. The Canadian dollar dropped against most major currencies as stocks and commodities fell around the world, damping demand for assets related to global economic growth. As long as the pair is trading above 0.9520, the dollar CAD could rise towards 0.97 or even more. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 0.9504 and a high of 0.9603. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.